Wow, sounds great! Making this cupcake is very enjoyable. Hi guys, this is Mona Banu. Welcome to my kitchen. One egg, vanilla, 1 spoon of thick saffron, 70 grams of sugar, and a half teaspoon of cardamom. Mix it well. If you like, you can mix with an electronic mixer to increase the speed of the work. Well done. Now we add 60 grams of milk. And also 60 grams of liquid oil and stir for 1 minute. One spoon of rosewater. Absolutely great! Now it's the time to add flour and baking powder. Sift 120 grams of flour and a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix gently with a hand mixer or a whisk till it is completely unified. Hey dude, instead of a mold, I use a disposable cup. I think it's a good idea. But be sure to put 2 cups inside each other because they are made of paper and actually may tear. I poured the cake liquid into the funnel so that I can pour it into the cups more easily. Grease the bottom of the cups completely. Pour the cake liquid into it. Put a metal object on the bottom of the pot. Arrange the cupcakes on it and close the pot. Let it cook for 20 minutes. Let's go and make a delicious nectar. A half cup of sugar, a cup of water, rosewater and saffron. Put it on the heat till the sugar dissolves. Well done! Now our cupcakes are ready. Take them out of the disposable cup. We're not done yet, but just look at it. It's amazing. The smells is incredible. We pour the prepared nectar and the cupcakes. We shape the pastry cream. Take the cream out of the freezer so that it is not frozen. Both the cream and the container should be cool. Actually, it is better the container be made of metal. Mix it for 3 minutes at slow speed. Then mix at high speed for 5 minutes till it is take shape so that when we turn the dish upside down, the cream does not fall out. We pour the cream into the funnel end pipe and design the cupcakes in any way we like. This cupcake is super perfect. Whenever you want to invite your friend for a cup of tea or coffee, bake it. As you see, it was very simple and easy. The taste is incredibly delicious. You can design the cupcakes in any way you like. Be sure to bake it and enjoy its wonderful taste. If you like the video, like it, and also if you like, you can subscribe my YouTube channel.
یکم بگو رضا هیچی نمیشه به خدا.
3 2 برو.
اینجا رو بگی محیط کار معلوم باشه میریزم توش چقدر میریزم.
Guys, this is Mona Banu. Welcome to my kitchen.
خوبه بس.
نداره صدا.
اشکال نداره اون
تو بگی قطع نکن رضا اصلا این کارو نکن. 3 2 1 داری میگیری بیا نزدیک اینو.
هم میزنی کلی این داره میلرزه.
خب حالا یه دونه از دور برای اینستا ازم عکس بگیر رضا.
نه بیا اون تو آینه افتادی.
اب نداره بذار باشم.
نه
خودقادر نیستم که.
3 2 یکم یه درصد بیا بیرون.
از اول چرا میخندی؟
تو آینه
خب باشه 3